The question is 4 bracket 2x minus 3 bracket minus 5 equals 3 bracket x plus 7 bracket plus 2x. We must find the value of x. Expand the brackets. 4 times 2x is 8x. 4 times minus 3 is minus 12. And on the right side, 3 times x is 3x, and 3 times 7 is 21. Combine like terms. Minus 12 minus 5 becomes minus 17, and 3x plus 2x becomes 5x. Subtract 5x from both sides so that all x terms come to the left side. Simplify 8x minus 5x to get 3x. Add 17 to both sides to remove minus 17 from the left side. 21 plus 17 equals 38. Now we have 3x equals 38. Divide both sides by 3. Final answer is x equals 38 over 3.